Form 5 Application to Trigonometry 2D 嘅第13題。In the figure, A and B are 50 km apart, while B and C are 70 km apart, while C and A are 80 km apart. The bearing of B from A is n40 度2。Find the bearing of C from A。咁其實如果個 bearing of C from A 嘅話咧，應該咧我哋就要睇呢個角度。好啦，咁呢個角度點樣揾咧？其實我哋已經知道咗，由於呢個角度40度啦，咁所以我哋其實只要知道埋呢個角度係幾多咧，我就可以揾到佢哋嘅 bearing 係幾多。咁呢個角其實我哋當先去做 A 啦，咁其實我哋可以用 cosine 方面去揾到嘅，因為 cosine A 係等於緊50嘅二次加80嘅二次加70二次啦，除2除50乘80。哇，咁所以計到 A 咧，其實咧應該等於緊60度。好啦，咁因為我成條直線係180度，咁所以即係40度加60度加翻講呢個 B 啦，等於180度，因為 adjacent angle is 啦，咁所以 B 我計到等於80度，咁所以 the bearing of C from A 就應該係 S 80度2啦，咁先正嘅答案應該就會係 D 方度。